Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the ANYDAY John Lewis and Partners toilet roll holder. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So in this box is the ANYDAY John Lewis and Partners toilet roll holder. And just taking a look around the box packaging. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, pulling out the box tab so that we can open the box flap and taking a look directly in the box packaging. Let's lift the ANYDAY John Lewis and Partners toilet roll holder out and just checking through and making sure nothing else is left in the box packaging. We can set it to the side, so let's set it on the left hand side of the table and just giving you a look at the contents which were just removed from the box packaging, which is the ANYDAY John Lewis and Partners toilet roll holder. And now let's go ahead and, of course, open up the clear plastic bag packaging, which is recyclable and is recycled. And of course, keeping the bag away from babies, children, and animals. And giving you a look at the toilet roll holder. And let's take a close-up look. So the toilet roll holder is 33 centimeters tall and has a 15 centimeter wide base. And giving you a look at the bottom, so we can see that the underside of the base has a foam lining or padding. I'm just giving you a close-up look at the details and the overall construction. So this is a stainless steel toilet roll holder. It does have a very finely brushed finish going horizontally across the base. And that horizontal brushing does continue across horizontally on the pole of the toilet roll holder or the stalk, and just giving you a top-down look as well at the tip or very top of the toilet roll holder. And to give you some sense of the size of the holder, just resting it in my palm and gripping it as well. So in terms of the stainless steel construction, giving you some sense of the overall details of this ANYDAY John Lewis and Partners toilet roll holder's design. So it does have a reasonable or noticeable weight to the toilet roll holder, and just giving you some idea of just moving it around to see how sturdy it is. So it does balance quite nicely, and just giving you a look right there at this very exaggerated angle. It still maintains an upright freestanding position. And of course, just giving you one more look at the close-up details and overall design of this toilet roll holder. And now let's go ahead and test it out by placing some toilet rolls on it. So I do have an Andrex Skin Kind toilet roll here. Let's pop it on to the toilet roll holder, and we have yet another one. So that's the second one. And let's put a third one on top. So that gives you an idea of the ability of this toilet roll holder. And I'm just trying to pick it up right now. And you can see where the top of the toilet roll holder is, just slightly below the top of the third or uppermost toilet roll. And let's test it out again, but this time, of course, in terms of the tipping test. You can see that the toilet roll holder does manage to stay pretty much upright. So that's the ANYDAY John Lewis and Partners toilet roll holder. Thanks for watching and happy toileting!